Boom. Yeah.
What's up?
What up?
What's going on?
Monday. Oh my God, we're getting close to Christmas as well, man.
No, it's kind of quick.
That's so weird. So weird that we're actually that close. The year has just gone by so fast.
Quickest ever.
Super strange. Anyway, boys, how's everything going?
Good, man.
All good.
Everybody had a good weekend?
Yeah, chill one.
Very nice, very nice. Well, I'm going to do the usual. Willski, you do your thing. I'm going to put everything on socials and on Discord.
Wicked. So DXY, it's an interesting one. We're taking this high out last week, so I'm looking at, are we going to get that continuation? And I like this area to play in for more upside on DXY, but we're not up there yet. So any move up to there, got to play with caution. We need to see some good signs of upside. We do have a lot of areas here. We did tap the daily on Friday, which is now previous weekly low. We have not revisited that area yet. And today, at the minute, not really doing too much. So I'd like to see some high low to continue the uptrend. If we don't, and at this point, I'd be very unsure if we are going to go up for the week. It would be a lot of movement to come down there and then to flip. So we'd ideally like to see the continuation, but we could get deep pullbacks because this is a very much higher time frame area. And that's really it. EU, I did get tagged in on Friday really late, which was a strange one. I am still bearish on EU. We can kind of see from when we failed at this high, current yearly high, we've seen very choppy structure, but it is going down. So I'm looking for that continuation down. This target is very much intact to be hit, which I would like to see before we get more upside. Euro seems a little bit strong at the minute compared to where the pound is at. As we go down to the daily, still creating a nice structure. Pullback could be quite deep, but at the minute, there's nothing that is hit. It's not done the fill here either, which is like 1.14600. So until that's hit, I don't really think we should be breaking these overall daily highs to break the structure back to the potential upside. As for the 4-hour entry, I had a limit set at the start of last week when it was sitting around here at like 1.15200. We did get a further low form for the week, which has made my potential target pretty nice. Got this tagged in on Friday, and in a minute it's sitting around entry, but it's playing around quite a lot if you go down to the 1 hour. It's a very rangy day, cleared Asian high, respected previous weekly high. So the minute I would want to see this session give us that impulse down and break through this potential pullback structure we've been seeing over the last week. GU.
We've got a guest coming on. What's the what was that on, Willski? That was on.
That was EU.
That was EU.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, wow.
GU. I don't know about GU. The reason why is higher time frame wise, monthly, we did this fill. So this fill is quite important. We can see how we bounced off that last week. Now we did also close above this area. In theory, we're still in this range between highs and these lows. Until we get the weekly closing outside, not really a huge fan of downside. I would want to see the higher time frame pullback really back into like 1.33 really. It's still got a long way to go. So that's what I'm looking for. If we do get that, it'll be very, very nice to see that downside. If we don't, then I'm worried that we could start creating that structure and then we can break this. But I am still bearish on both EU and GU going into this week for sure. And then you've got this massive low down here, like 127. So once we get that weekly confirm through these lows, then yeah, I reckon this range is good to go. But the minute we are still in that range, so be careful.
What's going on, buddy? Sakit.
Hello, everyone.
How's everything going? Opa, we got Sir Jones, the analyst, waiting for him to get a camera as well so he can come up on stream.
Oh.
Go on, Denzel, what you looking at, bro?
Actually, I'm looking at gold for the first time.
Yeah, mate. Hold on. Let me put the Saki back on. My bad.
Mhm.
There you go.
Yeah, so today
Now
I'm
he's gone.
not looking at gold. Buys on gold today. Seeing this little nice little area on the higher time frame, it looks like area of resistance that price could potentially go towards above here. So this is around the 4,100 area.
Mm-hmm.
Like since market open last night, we've been pretty much bullish. So now we're in NY session. 1 hour, there's nothing too crazy that will make me want to say buys, but quickly just jumped into the 1 hour. So on the 4 hour, I didn't see anything too nice, but on the 1 hour, what I'm thinking is price is just in a nice little uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high. It looks like it could just sweep the London lows and continue to push towards the upside. As long as gold like stays above this area here, I do think we should be bullish for the day until we eventually reach these areas of resistance. So yeah, that's pretty much me for gold and GJ. Same kind of vibe. We've actually reached a high level here on GJ, so I do think from this point on we could actually be bearish. So from like the last 3 weeks, since October 27th, we broke structure on the higher time frame, making a higher low. So this a lower low. So this lower high here it seems to be an area that's been attracting the market since Friday. So we're pushing towards the upside. So yeah, overall with GJ, I do think it has a high chance of it being bearish now since we've hit our lower high from the upper time frame. Literally, the moment we hit it, we started to resist, sell off a little bit. We came back a second time around 12 o'clock. Then yeah, NY session 1 o'clock, we have been bearish. So yeah, I'm looking for sells on GJ and buys on XAU USD. And if these sells do play out, just gonna wait for literally I'm on the 1 hour. So what I'm looking for is break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. Hopefully we can push it all the way to the downside. And if we do, we're looking to catch around 400 pips. So yeah, this one
Yeah, you're swing trading as well. What's going on with us, man? We got to kick Wilski out of this.
it's the Wilski effect, man.
Why are we all looking at high time frame? What happened to being like super scalpers with
I just entered a buy right now in gold.
You got buys on gold, yeah?
I just entered a small buy on my account right now.
That's it, a small
Because
buy for Saki.
I
We're talking about
I also
20
want to
units.
share my analysis.
Yes. Well, yeah, that's pretty much me anyway. So buys on gold, sells on GJ. And we'll see what the
gold and sells on GJ.
yeah. Fingers crossed.
Let's have a little butchers.
Mm.
Let's have a little butchers. I'll walk through what I'm looking at. So we got
USD CAD.
nobody asked me why I'm deciding to do this, but I'm gonna see about swing trading. I'm gonna run it through and see if it's going to be a nice little change in my trading because I'm so used to trading on lower time frames. But the idea with this anyway, we've just been trending upwards. So obviously USD CAD, the dollar is still pretty bullish in my opinion. We're still pointing upwards. We had a break of this nice level right here. So just break, retest, continuation type of trade. So if I put that and it works, you can see we had this break up around here and this was the high. We've come back, retested this area of demand, and now we're pushing off. And that's on a weekly. Obviously, if we scroll in just a little bit, we can see that we broke out of all of this range. We've done that kind of head and shoulders or W pattern, broke out the range, retest on all the EMAs. And the idea is just simply that we get that continuation to eventually facilitate a higher time frame continuation. It feels so bloody weird doing this on a weekly time frame.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like I say, this is going to happen tomorrow, man. It's probably not going to happen for like 2 months.
I'm gonna stick to that until it reaches the upper side.
well, to what? To come down here?
Yeah, to take profit to the top. What's the pip range we're looking at?
Okay, we're looking at. It's actually not that bad. It's like what? Like it is 240.
Woo! Yeah, that's sweet.
That's a lot.
That's a scalper's dream right there, man.
Oh, mate, imagine having that on 50 lots.
Hmm.
Money. So, yeah, we still got on the daily. All we've got is, a break
Yeah,
of the range, a retest on the EMAs on the 50. And I'm just waiting for that continuation. So that's the one trade that I've got on, a nice low lot size, and that's going to be a swing. The second one and the last one is actually a kind of day trade. Had to have one type of little lower time trade. The idea with this is earlier, obviously, we've gone to the daily on euro pound. We've had this big push up. We've got a really nice level here. We're slowing down a little bit. I'm thinking that we're going to come down to this EMA right now. At the moment, we're stuck on that 9 EMA, and it looks like we're actually holding a support, if I'm honest. But when I went on the 4 hour, it did slowly broke through the EMA, and to be honest, it looked like it was going to come down. It was coming down for most of the day. Now we're getting a little bit of retracement. My stop loss is just above here.
nice. 9
And
pip.
I'm aiming for that. That's what I'm looking at.
Mm.
So you can see we're in a little bit of drawdown at the moment. USD CAD is looking all right, but that's it. Over to you, Mr. Sackett. Let me pop on.
Okay.
Let me pop onto your.
My screen. I just shared my screen.
Wicked. See, I did this before while Wilski was here, but this computer's apparently died. So there you go. It's with you, bro.
So basically, I was about to enter one trade at 78% level. If we mark the fib from here to the top, the move happened before pre NY. This was the level I planned to enter because, as you can see, there is a small, resistance which can act as a support. And I was about to enter an impulse entry, but I was waiting for a small confirmation. And as you can see, in 5 minutes, we can see undecision candle. I call it undecision because people call it doji, but according to me, whenever this candle forms, it's like market is not able to decide where it want to go. So my plan was to enter at 78%, and as you can see, market is already rejecting this downside. You can see that there is a liquidity grab happening right now. So when I just joined the stream, I seen the lower time frames, and there was momentum forming, and I entered around 5 minutes ago, and my stop loss, my entry is at 80, as you can see from here, and stop loss is about 100 pips, and I am targeting 1 to 2.5, and trade is already in almost 50 pips in profit.
Oh man, I kind of miss being on those low time frames.
Already.
It's been a day. It's been less than a day. It's been like,
How was the analysis, Alex? Are you able to understand?
bro. I know who I'm talking to. Always top analysis from you boys. So I guess we're good. What is with you guys? Not at
You
least.
just passed my account.
There you go. You just passed your account.
Yeah, if I win this trade right now, I shared before entering.
Psh.
3 pips.
There's something about day trading on high leverage that is just you can't beat it, man. Can't beat it. But it's funny because you can't do it forever. I think after a little bit of time, you get a little bit burnt out. We shall see.
It does seem like a lot of the traders that have been in the game for a long, long time, they do tend to sway towards less trades, don't they? Overall,
Less is more, man.
Facts.
Less is more. The amount of times that I've made great money, but at the end of the evening, you know, just before you were about to get home, you know, you get into a couple of cheeky ones. Give it all back.
I've been there.
Less is more.
What do you think about my gold buys, guys? Do you
You know
think
what?
that
I was looking to get into gold. I just want a little bit more of a retracement back onto an EMA, to be honest. And then I'm getting I'm happy to go long. If I was what am I talking at XAU? 6 points spread on gold. Do you believe that? That's basically you get into the trade and you're in profit straight away. Man, this is just going to go to all-time highs by the looks of it. So I just want to try and find a way of getting in.
Yeah, it's funny because the move down has been quite slow, and just today you've seen a huge push.
Yeah. Well, look at what if we were going to move down. Look at all of that, just consolidation, getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. The amount of traders, you know, including myself a couple of times, trading inside this range. You could make quite a lot of money within this range, to be fair, though.
Yeah.
But you just had to understand that you're in kind of like that range. But I think we're gonna go up. Just waiting to get onto a little bit of retracement, maybe a retracement onto that fib and onto the EMA, and then it's, you know, I'm getting in as well. Love me a good range. Oh, the mental wealth trader. But yeah, that's nice. Saki, where did you get in again? What level?
I entered at 4080.
Oh, so you got into a fast trade.
4080.
Yeah, 4080 is about here. Ranges tend to leave Alex pipped off. There's nothing worse being a momentum trader and trading within a range.
That's when I lose the most.
Yeah.
All the
I think
time.
we all do. Yeah. Because you get so many signals that are in line with the trade idea, but it just...
Too many fake outs.
Wilski, how long did it take you then to get your mill in funding then? It must have taken you like 2 years, bro.
From when I first did my first ever prop firm, which was May 23. But the actual build up of zero, because I stopped doing challenges for like a good 9 months. Started again early in 2024. So it's nearly took me 2 years, to be honest. Quite a long time. But saying that, I've kept all the funding I've acquired, which is something that not many people can say, to be fair.
Nah, I definitely can't say that.
We'll
Very
see.
impressive.
Stuck to the plan. And it's paid.
That's it. I do blow challenges though.
part and parcel of it all, isn't it? But to be able to, first of all, do it and be okay with taking that long,
Yeah.
that's what I'm impressed at. Because, you know, like I'm thinking, what, a month? Imagine being 1 month in a trading evaluation, man. That's tough. But you were like 6 months, and I'm like, oh.
First prop firm I passed, I passed really quick, and I thought this is going to be easy. I did about a month from phase 1 to funded. I didn't get my first payout for 3 months, and I started a new phase 1 in June 24. Didn't pass that till December. So it took me that 6 months just to get that new one. Killer.
That space of time, I would have run through like 10 accounts. Just,
But that's the thing, though. It's a different way of taking money off, taking money out. You know, because maybe you would have done like us for intraday traders. Maybe we would have done 1 or 2 accounts, blown 2, but then we would have taken like 2 or 3 payouts as well, and then it would have made up and some. You know, it's just, you know, okay, you weren't with a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio and a 40%. There is going to be 1 or 2 accounts that you're going to blow, but all of the accounts that you don't and you get to funded, that's when you just milk it, and then you just basically do it again. So it's just a different way of trading it, to be honest.
Payout wise, the blowing funded accounts, you probably make
Much more.
to start with, especially a lot more.
Much more.
Yeah.
Much more, and you make it a lot faster. If you're being if you're trying to do the consistent way, the slow way, swing trading,
yeah,
you don't. That's why people just don't do it in prop too much.
Still haven't fully reaped the rewards of building the funded up until next year, probably. So that's
that's what the insane thing is, because somebody that's an intraday trader, you get funded 1 month, you could already have a fat payout the next month.
Yeah,
easily.
Which is why we're kind of here, to be honest.
Get in and get out.
Get in, get out. It's what I live by. Not so much anymore. We're gonna see. I'm like fantasizing being like in Thailand or something, not being in front of the computer, just checking my phone. I'm like checking my phone every like 4 hours. I'll be like, okay, fine, you know, relaxed, instead of being like 5 minutes in front of the computer while I'm on a holiday, which different, you know.
Some traders do love being on the markets for 4+ hours a day, but how sustainable is that if you start having kids and all of this?
I think it's just that feeling that I'm working, you know.
That feeling like you're doing something.
It does feel criminal when you only hop on the charts for like 30 minutes and you're done for the day, or setup isn't there. It's just like, yeah, I should be doing something productive. But that's the reason trading is supposed to give you that freedom. At the
So
same
what do you do all day if you're not in front of the 1 minute and 5 minute?
Exactly, because it's not like 2 4-hour candles is literally a 9 to 5. So it's just like
Yeah, that's so true.
8 hours. But what? Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie, super crazy. It looks like gold is starting to reject. It's starting to buy off now. Looking good. Looking good.
Yeah, it's testing back at that Asian range, and it's leaving quite a nice wick now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which software do you guys use for back testing, if you were using in past or right now?
FX Replay. Have you heard of that one?
Yeah, I used to backtest on that. I was trying to purchase right now, but they don't allow crypto, and my card was not working on their website.
Yeah.
FX Replay is the best, hands down. I think.
No software is better than FX Replay, according to me.
Which is what's that? Which software?
FX
FX
Replay.
Replay.
No, what's the better one?
FX Replay is the better one.
FX is the best one.
But the thing is, now FX Replay have this feature. It's called like FX Battle.
So
So it's kind of like you're gaming but trading at the same time. It's actually really fun. You just hop on, like sometimes me and my friends do it. We just pick a random pair, and when you play, you can all of us will be on like obviously let's just say we're trading gold. It could give you gold from like literally 10 years ago, and can give you gold from like last week, so on and so forth. You can choose like targets and all that kind of stuff. But because it's so competitive, it kind of makes you forget that you meant to, use proper risk management and stuff like that. So every trade, I just put 100% risk. Or it is really fun. Like you're gaming and you're trading in a way. So yeah, we spend like an hour or two sometimes, which is kind of crazy. But yeah,
I went on there on the weekend, and I haven't been on FX Replay for ages. They've
yeah,
done some big
It's
updates.
different. It's so different.
I was quite surprised as well because it was good. It was good already, but they did the prop firm simulator as well, and I was like, that's pretty good, man. Because
Mm.
think of how many companies now are doing the same thing as them. Even TradingView now,
Yeah,
so it's like they have to do something different, otherwise, who would pay
But
for? Who would pay?
trading view, but in trading view, there is a feature if you are like back testing 1 hour time frame and you want to shift to 5 minute, the whole chart will change.
yeah.
But in FX replay, if you will shift to 1 hour to 1 minute, there will be exact same day. That's the major difference in FX replay.
Mm.
Mm. Yeah, proper good platforms. I remember there was something called Soft FX or something like that.
Software we have to
Yeah,
install in
terrible.
Windows.
Unlike MT4, and it used to be, you'd be like, that was some solid software. That was really good.
It was, but it was annoying to use at the same
Do you
time.
reckon?
Yeah.
It was on MT4, MT5. It was on MT4, no?
MT4.
MT4.
Yeah.
All the streamer used to, backtest in that software live stream.
Dino, I'm seeing Alex fund and hair grow faster. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it cut eventually, man.
Just let it grow, man.
I don't know, man. It's like I'm starting to get attached to the thing now.
Yeah,
Gonna have to name it something.
your hair is your strength. So they say.
Yeah, is that what they say?
Hmm.
Somebody called me Head and Shoulders the other day. I'm like,
Yeah,
What a compliment.
Head
Yeah.
and Shoulders. It's better than Lord Farquaad, that like a haircut, of Lord Farquaad.
yeah.
So, to be fair, I actually thought that was going to take me out. That euro pound
Still in, yeah.
still in. It looked like he was going to take me out. To be fair,
Nice.
I
Yeah, I
guess
feel like
you're going to have to get probably used to it. Used to seeing that, huh, Wilski?
In terms of drawdown with me, how I trade, if I lose, I do tend to lose quite quick most of the time. So I do not often lose in the same day, which is probably for the better. When
Yeah.
the winners run, they can last a long time. But I generally would know. Let's say that, if what's that?
Yeah, you would know straight away.
You would know straight away, yeah. So at least with the profits, it would go into a lot of profit, and even if it pulled back to entry, it would tend to not go that much into drawdown, then carry on.
Mm.
With losses, you don't want to be in losses for too long, do you? Really?
Yeah, it's also draining. Do you ever go down into a 15-minute and a 5-minute just to see what's cracking on the lower time frames, Wilski?
I've got the 30-minute, and
Wow.
that's about as far as I'll go. Yeah.
Fair enough.
But if I hop on MT5, for example,
Okay.
then you can easily go down to the 1, especially when it comes to news as well.
Mm.
Like, you look at gold on the 1 right now.
Let's have a look.
Like even like during London session, it was like beautiful for sales, just lower, 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 high, lower, 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 high.
2%, man.
Yeah. This
Wow.
one is so good. I won't lie. Like,
I was about to enter a cells at exact like 4100, but I missed.
damn.
Exact 4100 I was planning to enter sell when that 30-minute candle was rejecting at that time.
Mm.
So I got like FOMO looking at that.
So it looks like now price is pulling a U-turn.
Yeah, right on that level. right on that area of prior demand.
Yeah. Most likely gonna get those London highs. Yeah. NY highs for 1.
You never guess this. Yeah, I spoke to a sales rep that does this course, who did the course selling for TGR.
Yeah.
Big.
Guess how much he was making, not the sales guy, how much TGR was making every single day at one point.
I'm gonna go for 100K a day.
Half.
For
Higher,
higher.
lower.
Half.
Yeah, I was gonna go 30K, about
Yeah,
a mil a month.
50K a day.
Hey, yeah. Damn,
It's
that's
all in the marketing, man. That's what I believe. It's all in the marketing.
But the lad said, he worked there for about 2 months doing the high ticket sales for him, and then he left because of he felt like it was a bit unethical.
Mm.
Because he felt like people were not getting the results, and there wasn't much support or
that's
blah
the
blah blah.
difference. Is like if you've got a small amount of people, you could really have a good offer there. But when you've got how many people, hundreds in there?
Oh, it would be thousands. It would be thousands, wouldn't it?
You couldn't mentor all of them, could you?
Nah.
It would be done. It would be done course, then group coaching probably, or course group coaching funneled into
Team.
just team group coaching, funneled into one-on-one, which would be like super high ticket.
Ridiculous.
Gross how much money there is in info. It is absolutely gross.
Not making that trade in, are you? You're wrong.
Well, definitely not on a 1 minute chart.
Nah.
5,000 lots.
Wow.
5,000.
Yeah, I think prop firms might have a bit of an issue with that. Definitely get a risk limitation on there.
Definitely.
But that was quite shocking. I didn't think it was that much.
He's young as well.
Mate, he's like 23. Something like that. Look, he's very entertaining.
Yeah.
He's hilarious, mate. Hilarious. One thing that they said, there was a lot of brain rot leads, he called them, which was like leads of like lads just trying to make as much money as possible. Doesn't matter what it was.
So we hit 100 pips in gold.
Sack it.
Funding Rock live phase 1 account live trade.
Nice.
Man, gold is another beast. There was a time I was tempted just to be just a gold trader.
People can pride themselves just on trading gold, can't they?
Well, to be honest, people pay a lot to learn how to trade gold. If you're looking from an info marketing kind of thing, people kind of like frown upon FX for some reason.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I don't know why it's such a thing. Like they frown upon it.
You tell someone you trade gold, I mean, it speaks for itself, doesn't it?
Yeah.
No, look, I don't. I'll be like, I trade commodities. I'm a commodities trader on a floor, on a virtual trading floor. Yeah, it's better than saying, yeah, I trade euro pound.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody's got that thing. When somebody asks you what do you do for a living, what do you say? Well, I've had this conversation with Denzel. I think, what did you say? You just said you were like
Entrepreneur.
entrepreneur.
Something like that.
Sakir, what do you say if you meet people and they ask you what you do for a living?
I'll say that I'm a fund manager.
Fund manager. That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
That's it, baby. That's it. If you
Because
didn't have a wife, man, you gotta watch saying a fund manager over in India. Get all the
do you
girls.
guys watch that Train to Busan movie?
Yeah, the Korean movie, yeah.
Yeah, Korean zombie movie, Train to Busan. The Squid Game guy was the
Mm,
main hero of that movie, and
yeah.
he was the fund manager of that in that movie, and he was so selfish, you know.
Yeah.
But he sacrificed himself in the end of the movie to
Mm,
save a little kid.
See, fund managers, we've got hearts, we've got personality and hearts, man. We care. Sacrifice ourselves for other people every day. What about you, Wilski?
there's
Just say you're in finance doesn't go much further than that, does it?
Finance.
What about you, Alex?
What do I say?
Mm,
Middleman.
I'm an artist.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm an
It's just the canvas, yeah.
I pick oranges. That's what I pick. I'm just a farmer. Nah, sometimes you try and explain to somebody what you do and nobody has a clue, man.
Painful.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, and then the eyes glaze over because they've just lost what you're trying to say. So it's best just to be like, yeah, man, I pick oranges for a living.
I feel like when I first started telling people about trading, they would always be like, you see how we know you can actually buy and sell at the same time?
Mm.
They'll be like, oh, so you just buy, can you not sell? I was like, yeah, you can sell. But I think sometimes they have a hard time trying to fathom.
Comprehending it.
Yeah, I was like, you can buy and sell at the same time. Or usually they'll be like, oh, yeah, I have this thing on Revolut where I've been just buying and holding. And I'm like, you do know you can actually sell at the same time. And obviously, it's just a long thing.
Oy.
Yeah, you do you, yeah? And I'll just.
Mm.
say
What's
my-
it? Lucky. Just say you're an accountant. Nobody asks anything. Nobody asks any further question.
If you say you're a forex trader, though, instantly they're going to think you're a scammer.
no. Instant depletion of aura.
Terrible.
That's it.
Doesn't matter if you're good.
What made Forex just be looked down upon a little bit, man? Like
What's that?
during COVID, like
Mm.
it was all IML, and they'll do like they'll get a picture of you, make it onto a poster, and we're like plus 500. I can't remember what it was. I'll just say there's a few people
There was
like
like in India, there was like in COVID, people were starting like binary trading.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Have you heard
Oh,
about binary
no.
trading?
nah.
Oh no.
That's a
Oh,
pure
mate.
gamble. Like there is
Oh.
an app you have to predict.
Basically,
seconds,
you'd have like the chart on here, and
Yeah.
it's the same. It's like CFD, but with super high leverage. You would say, okay, I'm gonna bet right now that the price in the next 30 seconds is going to
Yeah,
go
yeah,
to X
yeah.
place, and
Shit.
you put a bet on, and in 30 seconds, if it hit, it hit. And it was just that's what it was. It was just gambling, but there was a lot of scams going around that the firm that was doing it had control over the chart.
Shit.
Yeah.
So you would get in, and then it would go. They would see where you were betting, and then it would just go completely to the opposite side. And you'd lose money. Mate, it was a massive, humongous,
I've never heard of that.
humongous industry. Massive places over in India that was like doing all of that stuff as well. It's like there's places
Yeah.
over here. There was people here making disgusting Wolf of Wall Street type of stuff.
Yeah.
Mm.
But I guess you got it in every industry, to be fair.
Yeah. Logi says, be a firefighter.
Oh, mate, imagine being a firefighter.
Constantly preventing your account from burning down.
Pound seems like it's getting a bit. Let's have a look at the all 5 minute just to see what we could have had today.
What could have been?
Yeah, it could have been. So we've had the Asian high taken out. I'm not surprised I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks down and takes a low. EU, not EU, EU.
EU stuck.
Yeah. To be fair, I'm surprised they didn't actually come out to try and take out the high, to be honest.
Me too.
I was surprised. I didn't think it would. USD CHF also. It's been pretty dead, to be honest, today. Nothing's really happened.
Because you quite like Mondays, don't you, as well, Alex?
Yeah, my highest win rates on Mondays.
Usually, there's never any news, so it's just what you're seeing is technicals.
I think that's why I win. I'm good on Mondays because there's not like too much volatility that takes me out. I don't know. I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, today's sleepy AF. So, Loch, what have you been doing for the last couple of days? I hear you've been on holiday. What have you been doing on holiday, mate?
For some, innit?
Huh?
It's alright for some.
Oh, no, he was in hospital.
Maybe not going to take that back.
Yeah, probably not the holiday I want to be going on, but he seemed like he enjoyed himself.
Free, innit? At least if you
Yeah, man, get free. You know what? No, it's not that bad. You know, free food, chilling in bed, watching TV. I used to break loads of like bones as a kid. It would be like a broken leg or a broken arm, and I used to just chill in the hospital, and I used to just, everything, man. I used to get everything.
Like a king.
Yeah, man. The only thing is the food in hospital is really bad. I don't know what it's like now. I bet it's even worse these days. Chatting up the nurses and the doctors, of course. Chatting up the doctor. Oy. Gotta be done, mate. Fair enough. Sackett, you're still in your position.
Yeah. It's do or die situation.
It's a do or die situation. That's the kind of adrenaline I love. Sounds good.
Either I'll pass my account, either I'll lose half of my drawdown.
They're the worst. The emotions you get from that.
I'm not gonna lie. That's why I like. It's an addictive emotion now.
But if you are making money, you are making money.
Say no more. You know. Say no more. Everybody's got their way of extracting.
Trying to cool myself. Trying to cool myself from the drawdown.
Crazy.
Need some more likes up in here. I've only got 6.
6?
Come on. 15.
How many? We got like 23 people in here. We've got 6 likes.
It's like happy
I know.
to
In
see
all,
that
in all, in all
subscribers
fairness.
are growing, Alex.
Pardon, what did you say, Sackett?
I was saying that it's happy to see that our subscribers are growing.
Half of that is all of your mates, Sackett. Everybody's coming in and subscribing, bro. Our biggest video is the interview you did last week, mate.
Yeah.
We got Wilski's one coming out very, very soon.
Yes,
Wilski is also a pro YouTuber. I saw his YouTube channel yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Oh, mate, you should see Denzel's.
He's lucky one.
You should see Denzel's, man. Denzel's got the full day in the life, bro. You see him boxing, you see him everything.
I think Wilski can do much better if he works on his like thumbnails because the value is
I
provided.
completely agree.
There you go,
It takes me
boom.
2 seconds.
Thumbnails are difficult, man.
They're tough.
Yeah.
Like, who's got the time to do thumbnails, bro? Oh.
You can hire someone.
You can get some for like 10 quid a thumbnail.
But then you get them, and then you're like, actually, I prefer the ones that I like. I prefer the ones that I did over them. You know.
Not only that, you're not even making a tenner from the video. It's like you're not even breaking even.
That's the sacrifice you have to make, man. That is
You just gotta check the risk to reward. You know, that's all it is.
and the thing with the thumbnails, the trends are always changing as well. So it's just like trying to keep up with them, kind of mad.
What's the trends now then?
Like before, it used to be like like 1, 2, 3 type of thumbnails.
Montage.
This one thumbnail, Alex. This is the new thumbnail for my video.
Hold on, let me pop you on, mate. Give me 2 seconds. Wow, I got too many scenes up in here.
Wait. I think now it will show you.
But yeah, the thumbnails do help.
Damn, son, that's some next level thumbnail. That is next level thumbnail. Wait, where's Wilski gone?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Let me pop. Sakit's gone. It's gone, is it? So wait, Sakit, is that done with like half AI then to make you look like that? Pop it back on the screen for a sec.
Wait, I'll show you again. I have so many good thumbnails, but I wanted to show you this one because I can't show other prop firms. It costed me around $10.
But a thumbnail like this is what makes you want to click on that video. What happened, man?
Yeah. No, it is nice. It is good. I guess Trust Wallet scams in prop firms. What's the scams in prop firms for Trust Wallet? I haven't heard.
Like the Trust Wallet scam is like people don't know that what they do is like they search on YouTube how to convert TRX because in Trust Wallet you need TRX coin to send your USDT like a gas fee, right?
Mhm.
So people do search this topic on YouTube, and there are some scammers. What they will do, they will provide you a link in their description to convert USDT to TRX, and when you will click on that, your wallet will be hacked. And second one is that whenever people are doing transaction these days with Trust Wallet, there's a minor transaction notification is coming with like 0.00 TRX received, and that's a fake transaction. If you will click on that one as well, your wallet will hacked. This has personally happened with some of my followers, like a crazy amount of followers, like 20-25 followers.
My crypto is wild, bro. I had a friend of mine that was trading meme coins when the whole massive bull run of meme coins and NFTs, and he took something like, I think it was like 30k up to 250,000 pounds, and he rid it all the way back down, and he had around about $10,000 or 10,000 pounds left, and then somebody hacked into his Trust Wallet and stole it all.
Damn.
What a ride!
That's something that you just don't, It's crazy.
This one, Alex, you will like more. You know that this was the fire thumbnail. The quality of this thumbnail is amazing.
That's not quite the thumbnail I was
Wow.
expecting. Opa! Look at it. No consistency, bro.
No lot size rule, no news trading allowed,
Bro.
no
That's what we like to
consistency.
see.
It looks like
Second one, one thumbnail I am my thumbnail designer is making with like I'm like blown 3 accounts with like sad one like red tone. We are working on that.
Who's this now? 2 seconds, guys.
Second, where is your take profit on gold?
It's like all around 4107. I'll see.
Wow, we're still pushing.
It will push. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the 1 hour clean break retest.
I was to be fair, off that 9 EMA.
Mm.
I was looking for just a bit of a bigger retest, but let's have a look at where it was. You know, even all of this, to be honest, you're looking at all of that trending price action. It never broke a 1 hour until took a long time to break that 9 EMA.
Hmm.
Maybe that was the spot. It's difficult when to time it. Sometimes I think maybe it's best just to get in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I already got like 1.5 risk reward.
Nice.
what challenge account did you go for? What size?
It's like a it's leave it.
Which
It's
one?
a 5K to be very honest.
That's not 5K. I think 5Ks are the hardest to trade, man.
Accounts and accounts.
That's the reason I'm going aggressive in that. Like if I pass, I pass. Else 2 trades and leave it. Remove it from my Google sheet.
No, 5Ks, in my opinion, are one of the hardest just because the account is small and you want to make money as fast as possible. So you basically do what Sacket's doing right now,
Yeah.
which is full margin, trying to get it passed as soon as possible.
It's a lot
Can
harder.
work.
You can't respect the account as much as a big one, can you?
Nah.
No. Then again, you know, somebody, what was it, 2 weeks ago, took 20% off his 5K account, made $1,000. It's pretty impressive.
I closed out the funded trade on Fund and Rock just to get the refund.
Oh, really?
Yeah, from last week on Friday close, I closed it out, so I've got a huge profit of 0.17%. I got on the leaderboard as well.
Come on.
Yeah,
On
man.
where? On Funding Rock?
Fund and Rock leaderboard number 10.
Sick,
Couldn't
man.
believe it.
Sick, bro.
First dashboard, first leaderboard ever.
Nice. Good shit, bro. When's your payout now?
That's Friday, I think. About $300.
Sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. In and out.
It's only because on another prop I didn't get the refund back for about 4 months. And it started to mess my head up a little bit, especially when
Why? Because you went in. What? You went into a bit of drawdown.
yeah, straight away.
Oh,
5% drawdown. Then I had to claw it back, and then, especially with the big accounts, you're paying over $1,000,
Yeah. No, it's not little money.
and it's tax
Not
free
really.
as well. The refund, because it's obviously what you put in. If you look at it like that.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to speak to an accountant soon. To
Yeah.
be fair.
I am putting money aside at the minute because I know I'm going to get hit with a big bill.
Oh, man, the UK, bro. What the taxman don't know doesn't hurt him.
I suppose as long as you're paying some.
Yeah. I don't know. It's very difficult. How do you tax prop though?
Pretty just income.
Just like an extra added income.
Yeah,
Puts you up into the higher tax bracket than if you got like,
exactly.
that could suck.
in the UK as well.
Probably better putting it into a limited company then. No?
At a certain point, I think you are better off. Yeah.
Yeah, because then you just hold what is it, 25% or something, leaving less on.
Yeah, you can pay yourself a salary then.
Or you can put it into like a SIP or something, like a pension pot, and then you're not paying anything.
It's a lot, and that's where the accountant helps.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find traders that have, especially when in the UK, and they've got an accountant because could probably do with one.
Yeah, you need to know all the little things around it. Definitely. Well, I think that EG is taking its time. We'll see. Anyway, guys, that's probably it.
Yeah.
I think we're calling it. So we'll see you later on this week. Obviously, Thursday and Friday, there is no trading room. So that is it. We're going to be here tomorrow and Wednesday. And that is it. Take care, guys.
See you later, guys.
Peace.
All right.
That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure